Let's get accessible. I'll walk you through the manual installation of the UserWay widget on your Wix site. If you're looking for the app installation guide, go ahead and follow the link in the description area below this video. As usual, the first thing you need to do is register your site at userway.org at the top right of the UserWay homepage. Complete all the listed steps until you get your unique code snippet. You can find a detailed tutorial on how to get your unique code snippet below this video. Copy your code snippet to your clipboard or save it to a text file. It's just text. We've also sent you a welcome email with the same code. If you have already registered for a previous site, you can add the new site to your list and it will use the same code. For a walkthrough, go to the link below this video. If you like, you can sign in to your UserWay dashboard at manage.userway.org. Go to the left nav menu, find Embed Code, and copy the script or code that you'll find there. This script is actually your unique code. If you have any issues finding your sign-in, you'll find the sign-in credentials in the welcome email as well. Grab your unique code snippet and let's go. I will see you in the Wix dashboard. I'm in the Wix dashboard. I'll show you where to paste your code. On the left menu, scroll down and go to Settings. In the resulting page, you will see all the settings options. Scroll all the way down until you find the Advanced section. That's where the Custom Code option is. Click on it. In the page that comes up on the top right, click on the Add Custom Code button. In the window that pops up, paste the code snippet in the first text field. Below, in the name field, write the name UserWay so it will be easier for you to identify later. Make sure the Add Code to All Pages radio button option is selected. Select the Place Code in Head radio button. You're not done yet. Scroll back up to Code Type and select the Essential radio button option. Now scroll back down again to the Apply button in the bottom right corner. You're all set. Preview your Wix site to make sure you've installed the UserWay widget correctly. At this point, if you'd like to customize your widget options, you can go to the UserWay Management Console and check your dashboard. Some widget customization options are also available directly in the widget settings as well. If you're still using the free widget, you may want to consider moving ahead to the more robust UserWay Pro widget. For more extensive accessibility and compliance options, upgrade at the link in the description below this video.